gonna drink it, Chris!
8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
And the chicken! And the chicken! And the chicken!
If he eats chickens, we fuck Chris.
Oh, he's got to eat the chicken.
Chris.
We like to eat with Joe.
Christopher, I will chicken with you.
Okay, they both gonna
Do it! Do it!
chicken each year.
Anthony, I think I should just stick.
Oh,
I like a woman seeing my face and
Are you a vegetarian?
No.
Oh.
Oh, and Rob's in on it. Rob, get some chicken.
is that some?
Oh, no way. It's fucking horrendous.
Fuck.
Eat chicken in with his right hand.
Come on, you chicken.
You got chicken in his hand!
He's consuming his beverage with his right hand.
Now they're left.
This is an infringement of rule 11.42.
He's not even seen once.
I'm going to cook this shit.
And there's some left in that buzzing waterfall.
Seriously, how far has it come if they drink chicken? At what point do we stop this charade?
But the chicken soaks in all the drink. So.
Chicken.
When chicken is not consumable as a liquid.
A solid. It's so bad. Solid.
Oh my
Anthony, you're spitting it.
Chris.
Anthony, you've got to
Swallow, not spit.
Oh my god, Chris. Hanging as fuck.
Joel, you eat that piece of chicken.
I'm gonna throw it in next door.
Literally tastes like a napkin.
Chris, put that bit of chicken back in there and I will lug you in next door. Go on, I will chuck it in next door. I'll put it through next door's letterbox. Go on.
Yes!
Go on.
So well.
I'll put it through next door's letterbox if you put it in. Go on, pick it up. Oh, here we go in, boy!
Oh, here we go!
I'm going with him. Next was letterbox it is.
Is it actually?
Which side, left or right?
Back in a sec.
Left! No, right!
Fucking